So welcome back, guys, to another video on Kids Coding Playground. Today I'll be showcasing a animation we made. We spent many hours on this project. It took us a very long time to make this because we had to draw a lot of costumes and we had to code a lot. And the animation is about two brothers spending their Labor Day weekend. So in the comments below, you can tell us what you did over Labor Day. If you live in the US, I know some other countries do not celebrate Labor Day, but if you do not live in the US, maybe you can tell us what you did over the weekend. So without further ado, we will start the animation. So let's start the video. I'm going to go full screen so you guys can see it more clearly. And yes, there's music, but it's very soft. So at first, the two brothers are at the bus stop, thinking that they have school on Labor Day. And they're just talking to each other. You can read it. Where is everyone else? They're confused why no one's at the bus stop because it's Labor Day and they forgot it's Labor Day. So they wait for 15 minutes and the bus still does not come, as you can see. Looks like the bus isn't here. And then after this, they decide to walk to school. They forgot that it wasn't Labor Day, remember? It was Labor Day. We need to get to school before it gets too late. As you can see, we also did the type text. I think I taught you guys in the IndyCat maze game. It makes your animation much cooler. So they walk off screen, 30 minutes later, they're at school. So this scene, they are finally at the school. He says, I hope we don't get detention because they are late. So they go to the door. They try to knock and ring on the doorbell, but no one answers. And he says the door is locked, and his brother says, let me try. So the brother decides to knock on the door, but there's nothing happens. The door won't budge. The lights are all off. And then they finally remember today is Labor Day. No school today. And then they head back home. They walk back home after this. And then the gray brother says that all the time was wasted. And then that's their mom, okay? Their mom's just working around the kitchen. And their mom also forgets that Labor Day was today. Their mom also forgets. In the description below, I will also put all of these cats and all these sprites so you guys can download them and make your own animation. And then their mom says if there's no school, then they'll have a family cleanup day. First, they tells them to clean the room, then to mop the floors, and finally, if you guys do well, then we will have a barbecue. Family barbecue, yeah. The two boys do not like that. Well, that's just great. Sarcasm intensifies. I just made it a little bit more funny. And who does work on Labor Day, says the orange scratch cat. Our day was similar to their day. We had to do a lot of chores today. And their mom says the faster you get your chores done, the faster you can play. The gray cat does not like that either. Choking intensifies. Well, I kind of made it a little bit more funnier. I guess this is our dad cat. The dad cat comes into the scene, and their dad tells them to follow the instructions what their mom said. And then the dad notices, thinks that I hope she doesn't tell me to do anything. As you can see, he's thinking. Yep, now go do the chores, telling the kids. And then the mom remembers to tell the dad to do some stuff. Oh yeah, I forgot, Dad, please mow the lawn. The grass is getting long. And then the dad doesn't like it either. And And then the dad just walks out the scene to go mow the lawn. And then while the dad is mowing the lawn, the kids are cleaning the room, a little cutscene. As you can see, there's bits of trash around. And just to note, this thing is not the takeout box, we just like edited it. It's a trash can in our thing. So they just throw all the trash into the trash can. I made a fishbone because cats like to eat fish. And at this part, this cat throws the trash to this other brother, and then they throw in the trash can, and they say score. Now we are done cleaning our room. And then they get out of the scene now. And now they have to mop the floor. Looks like our mom already left us the bucket. So they go to the bucket and pick up a mop. And they begin to mop the floor. As you can see, they switch to another sprite, and they mop. Okay, we are finally done. And then he says yeah at the same time. And then finally, their dad is happy that they finished all their chores, so he's cooking a fish on the grill, as you can see. The food is almost ready. And there's a side of cheese puffs right here, and then they'll sit down. Or more like stand up, and their mom comes to pick up the fish. Food is ready, come over and pick it up. Gets the fish and puts it on the plate. As you can see, there's a plate right here. The mom drops the fish right there. The food looks great. Thanks, Mom and Dad. The orange cat says. Great food, Dad. Thanks, Mom. What a great day, Labor Day. And that's the end of the animation. Happy Labor Day. Okay, so that's the animation. The end. Thank you for watching. Please tell us what you did over the Labor Day in the comments down below, like I said earlier. And now I can show you some of the code inside. So remember I said we had type text? And there's actually 3 different cats. So there's the cat with the mop, the cats with the book bags, and then the cats with nothing on her, and the mom and dad, that's it. And then we have a bunch of other sprites. So the reason this took us so long is you have to broadcast a lot of messages, think of what to say, think of a storyboard, make them move around. So it was I knew how to do it. It's just that it's too tedious. And then we had to draw some of our own sprites, and then we got some of these from online, like this book bag, and we had to edit it on the Scratch Cat. Then we also have the mop. We had to edit that onto the Scratch Cat. And this plate we got from online. These fishbone and all this stuff we got from online. So overall, this was a pretty good animation, I think. And it was pretty long. I think it was 5 minutes. It took us a long time, maybe 5 hours. Maybe even more, since we had to draw all the sprites and clean up all the sprites, because some of these were JPGs, so we had to clean up the background. And if you want to, I said this earlier, but if you want to make your own animation, in the link in the description below, you can download all of these sprites, all the cats, the cat, the book bag cat, the mom, dad, and the mop cats. So yeah, that pretty much concludes this video. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video.